So anyhow, I bought this Cub Cadet. It was a really good deal, and I'm working on a deck which I don't think has ever been worked on in 35 years, honest to God. But I'm checking the deck wheels today. Go on there, and they seem to have a little bit of play. Yeah. So then I thought, yeah, I'll go to Tractor Supply and get new wheels. They're absolute junk, and they're $9 a piece. So I thought, well, what would Jamie do? So I spent $5 on a piece of PVC, which is actually a shim, and I just gotta mount that on this bolt, grease it up, be good to go. Thanks, Jamie.